Hello everyone, I am Tanisha, a student of BSc Chemistry on our first year. Today I will give my presentation on the topics alkane. So let's start. First of all, alkanes are also called paraffins because they are non-reactive. In the word alkane, alk indicates single bond between carbon and carbon atom, and alk indicates total number of carbon atoms, as we use methane, ethane, propane, butane. And the general formula for the alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, where N denotes the number of carbon atoms. For finding the formula, we can put number of carbon atom and we can find that how many hydrogen atom are there in this formula. Now I will discuss the methods of preparation of alkanes. So let's start. First is from unsaturated hydrocarbon. When the unsaturated hydrocarbons are treated with hydrogen in the presence of nickel or platinum, they form the corresponding alkanes. Second method of preparation is the from Grignard reagent. When the Grignard reagent are treated with H2O, they forms alkanes. A third method of preparation is Wurtz reaction. When alkyl halide are treated with sodium in the presence of dry ether, they form their corresponding alkanes. Fourth is reduction to alkyl halide. When the alkyl halide are treated in the presence of zinc or HCl, they form the alkanes. Fourth is from carboxylic acid, RCOH, where R denotes the alkyl group, reacts with NaOH, it forms RCOONA. When this RCOONA reacts with NaOH in the presence of calcium oxide, it forms its corresponding alkane. And fifth is by the reduction of alcohol, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. When any aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid react with hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus and at the temperature 423 Kelvin, it forms its corresponding alkane. Next is Sabatier-Sanderson reaction. When ethene or any alkene is react with H2, Ni, platinum in the presence of 573 to 623 Kelvin, it forms alkane. Seventh is from amines. When amines reacts with HNO2, they form alcohols, and when alcohol react with Hi in the presence of red phosphorus, it form alkenes. Now is Hofmann-Bromin reaction. When the amides react in the presence of Br2 or KOH, they form amines. When the amines react with HNO2, they form alcohol, and when it alcohol react with Hi in the presence of red phosphorus, it forms the alkenes. Next is from the nitro group. When the nitro group in the presence of Z and HCl reacts, it forms amines. And when the amines in the presence of HNO2 reacts, they form alcohol. And when this alcohol react with Hi in the presence of red phosphorus, it forms alkanes. Now let us discuss about the physical properties of alkanes. Now first is physical state. Lower members up to 4 carbon atoms are colorless gases. 5 to 17 carbon atoms are colorless liquids, and above are the solids at the room temperature. Now second is boiling point. There is an increasing in boiling point as we increase the number of carbon atoms, but it's totally opposite in the case of isomers. When there is an increase in isomers, it means in the increase of branching, usually due to increase of surface area, our boiling point is decreased. Now specific gravity. The specific gravity of alkanes comes almost at 0.8, and it shows that alkanes are lighter than water. Now solubility. Alkanes are insoluble in polar solvents as H2O, but they are solved in impolar solvent or non-polar solvent as benzene, ethers, etc. Now chemical properties of alkanes. First is halogenation. When alkane react with halogen as bromine and chlorine, they form the alkyl halides. But alkanes can't react with iodine because when they react with iodine, they form, this reaction is irreversible, so it's hard to do this reaction. So on place of single I2, we take HiO3. And the reaction of alkanes is fluorine is not possible because it's a too explosive reaction. So generally we don't do this. Second is nitration. When the alkane reacts with HNO3, they form the nitroalkanes at 770 Kelvin temperature. Third is sulfonation. When the alkanes react with sulfuric acid or fumic sulfuric acid, they form the alkane sulfonic acids. So this is my total presentation about the alkanes. Thank you very much.